What's up, guys? Stixx Picks here, back in the video. We're at the Stockton flea market, like always. Another picking video. We're selling right now. We got a bunch of Christmas lights right now because, you know, we got all these Christmas lights. We're testing out the Stockton flea market, seeing what can do here. Let's get right into it.
Michael, this is crazy. What time is it?
Like 6:42.
We haven't even been here an hour. We sold very similar, no crap, just the good stuff. We sold $30 freaking in 1 hour. We're 10 times better than we did yesterday. $300.
Oh, wow. So Concord sucks?
It's none of this. You know what? See if you look around right now, see how it's kind of thin? Like there's not many people there. Concord yesterday, every booth was matched. You know, and people were like, can you please move over and let me get this spot? It was, when there's full of sellers, it's harder to make money because everybody's spread out.
For this, and like the normal, you know. Yeah. Man, I'm so mad. Get before Alex. She told him. Don't park there. She said, don't do it. Oh, it's gonna be fast.
How much for the mask?
I'm so out of it. Oh, you guys are here?
Yeah. Yeah, we got a lot of Christmas stuff.
No.
Yeah. All right, let me show you guys a little bit of what I'm walking around with, or walking around. What we're selling. We're selling just mainly Christmas stuff. What we've been showing you guys recently. Got the little sets. I'm showing everything, like one item on top of the box to show what's inside of it. We got all this stuff in the back of the truck too, just so people can see. You don't have to take it out because a lot of it's the same stuff. It's looking a bit dry out here, y'all. It's looking a bit dry. I think I may be able to buy a little bit of stuff. We'll see. I passed by some things I think I could flip. Not for the most amount of money, but it's something.
Got hell of them. He's got a lot of them.
Oh, really?
I'm trying to see where they're at.
Yeah, where are they at? Some of these are kind of cool to have. Where is it? Who's running the place? Oh.
$30, she said.
All right, I bought this in my last video. This has been shown in the truck. I bought this yesterday, actually. So I think we should just open it. I was gonna save it for a little bit, but I think I'm just gonna open it here. Might as well. Screw it. Let's see what we can get. I'm hoping we get something good. That's obviously the plan. All right, let's just get right into it. Let's open the box. I know there's some cool art sometimes. All right, I think there's 10 packs if I'm not mistaken. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 packs. 10 packs. What is gonna happen? What are we gonna get? Let's find out. Let's find out. We got some sleeves. Oh, yeah, it comes with a free VMAX. That's cool. We got a little cover card. We got a Shining Fates booster box, but we're just gonna open them. Ooh, card to start. I don't really care for all most of the cards. We're just going through, like, is it a good card? I don't know if it's actually that good of a card. I know sometimes like cards like that, like Celebies and like weird types of cards can actually be good, even though it's not full art or even a holo. We'll make sure. I think we're good yet. I mean, I'll open one pack, so you know what I'm saying, all that. Stixx again off the start. Stixx again off the start. Bam, 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 bam. Oh, I think I did it wrong again. But look at it, we got a little hollow. Nothing good. Come on, give us a full art. I don't want no hollows. Okay, we came here for the good full arts. Oh my, I just destroyed that. Next pack. Next pack. Next pack. Come on, don't do me like this. Dang, we're actually, I mean, I don't know. I guess we're getting kind of lucky because I don't want to spoil it, but if you get a good card like this at the start, it means it's good. Alright. We got Energy, got a Thwacky, Rusted Shield, Dartrix, Koufant, the Cuffant, I don't even know, Buzel, Yanma, and oh, I knew I saw something back here. It's just a more Pecco V. Woo! Nothing crazy. This is probably not too bad of a card. Come on, we're gonna get something good soon, right? I mean, I guess the V Max does count as something good, but when I mean good, I mean like a little sellable card, you know? That's not what I'm chasing for. That would be cool. Let's just go into it. I don't know if that was a good card.
This looks all nice in the water bottle. Unless they got money in the water. Oh, this is
Come on, don't do me like this. Another hollow. Actually, no, I forgot there's 10 packs. So I still got 4 packs left. There could be something good in here. Honestly, I think we just open it. I think we don't even do the trick anymore. Let's just go. Oh, wait, holy crap. I think that's actually a really good card. I think that's because I didn't do the trick. The trick is bad luck. Bad luck. I think this is a good card. We'll have to look it up and see, of course. I'm not really too good with like all these Pokemon cards. I can kind of like, because I feel like some of it's somewhat common sense. Like you could tell by looking at it, and this is a good card, you know? Keep going. All these packs seem to be good. I don't know if these cards are like messed up today. Like look at these. Sometimes like they're supposed to say sometimes they're fully green or white, and if they're white and black like this, that means they're supposed to be a good pack. But like all of them are like that. Look at, oh wow, I think it is. Look, we got another hollow. Okay, yeah, I forgot the trick messed me up. Let's just not do it. Let's see what happens, but don't do it. Ooh, a Suicune. Wait, is that good? That might be good. Again, I mean, it's a hollow, so we'll take it. We'll take it. Like, full art. This one's got a chance, though. Come on. This one's got a chance. Nope. Unfortunate. I mean, I can't say unfortunate. We'll see how much this Ditto was worth, alright? That would be cool. Alright, nothing really crazy out of those. I mean, all of them seem like had pulls in them. I'm not sure if that's how Shining Fates will work. Like, you just get pulls out of everything. But only 2 cards, I guess, are really worth listing. Like, this was Suicune's like $15. This Ditto's like the same, like 15 bucks. Doesn't pay for it. I guess we technically lost 20 bucks on it, but since that Pokemon card paid for it the other day, I just bought it. Not bad, not bad. How much for the tennis racket?
$5. Is he wearing a toupee? Yeah. I mean, I'll sell him costume jewelry, but he's super mad because I sell Mario.
We go 3?
Yeah. About $12.50 for that stuff.
Yeah, because I thought maybe he'd pay you for more.
I just like dealing with Mario.
Thank you. My bad, someone was testing Still is testing it, but hey, we paid $3 for this. We paid $3 for this. It sells for a good amount. I saw a couple online. The cheapest one I saw was like 20 bucks, but I think I'll listen for a little bit more. We'll see. All right, my bad, y'all. I guess for some reason I'm really bad at it. I don't know, I need to look at my GoPro because I hit the record button, but I guess it wasn't recording. I paid $2 for this. I paid $2 for it. It's not the craziest sale. It was like 12 bucks though. We'll take that little bit of profit.
Pero esas vienen solas, ¿no? No está el traje.
Ah, sí, este creo que viene sola. Thank you,
¿Cuánto cuesta
No
eso?
problem.
Oh, okay.
All right, we're already packing up. It's like, what time is it? What time is it? 9:30. It's 9:30. We're packing up. Time to go home. Actually to the dumps. And not even home, to the warehouse. So I'll keep you guys updated. All right, we're done. We're out of the flea market. I'm not sure if it's the end of the video. I'll probably get a little more footage, you know. I'll be driving a little bit more today. I can show you guys a little bit of that. We got this for $1. It's like an Avion tequila thing. I paid $1. I guess that's not good for eBay, but I paid $1. I thought it'd be sellable. My dad told me maybe not. I paid, it's like dark over here. I paid $2 for this, paid $2 for it. Sells for like 13 bucks online, nothing crazy. We'll take the 6 times profit pretty much. And we got these 2 different rackets, like, well, there's 3 technically because this one came with multiple. We got these rackets. These ones that came in 2, they sell for like 50 online, it says, I think. Paid 5 bucks for the both of them combined. This other racket, I paid 3 bucks for it. It sells for about like 30 or 40 bucks online too. We'll take it.